Well, mate, it was only that.
You look like you're having too much of a good time.
All right, I better make a move. Go on, drop off duty tonight.
See you Monday, mate, eh?
Yeah.
You right to drive?
Yeah, I'm fine. See ya.
Great, that wagon's got to be out of here on Monday. Can you come in tomorrow?
Yeah, no worries. I could use these for cash.
Over the next year, in excess of 2.4 million Queenslanders will be breath tested at booze buses, by roving patrols, even motorcycle police. Expect to be tested.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, it's me.
Hi, where are you? Dinner's ready. And don't forget you're dropping Hannah at the movies.
Yeah, I know. Look, I've been done for drink driving.
Oh, Craig.
Don't tell the kids. I'll talk to them when I get home.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, it's me.
Hi, where are you? Dinner's ready. And don't forget you're dropping Hannah at the movies.
Yeah, I know. Look, I've been done for drink driving.
Oh, Craig.
Don't tell the kids. I'll talk to them when I get home. Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Not a happy camper.
Hi, Hannah.
Where have you been, Dad?
Look, I did the wrong thing. I had a few drinks after work. I drove home, and I got caught. Look, I'm sorry.
You got a minute, Craig?
Yeah, sure, Ken.
The young fella's just called in sick. You got a few minutes to run John into the city?
Yeah. No, I can't.
What's the matter, mate? He can wait.
I can't drive.
What do you mean?
I lost my licence.
What, points?
No, drink driving.
You're kidding, mate. When?
3 weeks ago.
So how you been getting to work?
Cheryl drops me off on the way to taking the kids to school.
Oh, I bet you're popular. Suppose I'd better do it myself then.
Yeah. Look, sorry, Ken.
I want to talk when we get back.